The last sim for this semester. Hi vlog! Right now it's around 9:30 and I'm about to head to class. Class today starts at 10 instead of 8:30 because I think there was a guest lecturer but that person canceled, so we're starting class later. So I'll see you guys during class.
Please remember to take your...
Hi vlog, I'm about to head out to sim and I'm super pumped because it will be my last sim for this semester. So yeah, I think I'll probably vlog more when I come back.
A few moments later.
I just got back from sim and honestly today's sim was the best. I'm really glad that they saved the best for last in my opinion, because the first scenario we went over sexual health and how to have a conversation with maybe a teenager who's not practicing safe sex, and the second scenario was how to identify someone who may be experiencing overdose and how to administer Narcan. And I don't know, I just found it to be such interesting topics and it was my favorite because I feel like we don't talk about sexual health or opioid overdose enough, and even Narcan training. I don't think it's as emphasized as CPR training. And I think it's actually so useful because, well, at least in Philadelphia, there's an opioid epidemic going on, so it's actually really prevalent. So I was really thankful that I was able to hear stories from two people that have experienced substance use disorder and just their life and their advice on how healthcare professionals can help those who are experiencing substance use disorder in a non-judgmental way. So yeah, it was a very insightful sim. And now I'm going to be studying for my exam tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm ready, but yeah, I'll just do that until dinner time. Hi vlog, I'm about to head out to get my nails done because I finished my first exam. I just, want to treat myself. My current nail has really outgrown itself and it's so long that it's even hard to type. And I was thinking of maybe changing it to a different color, maybe light purple or light blue that has more of a summer feel to it. But yeah, we shall see what color I choose. Hello, I'm I'm back. I decided to get my nail in this color. I really like the color, but my nail got so much shorter that I'm not used to this length, but it'll grow back real fast. So I'm kind of glad that she cut it shorter than I wanted, but yeah, here's the nails. And now I'm about to get ready because my friends and I decided to get happy hour. I'm going to my friend's place first to pregame. Yeah.
Prefer when I'm by myself. I don't wanna hang around y'all. Pray for good health. One day I'm really gon' ball. Fuck around and buy the whole mall. Breaking that cake. Flexing 700 in the bank. Not a superhero, I don't save. Look at my face. Look at my grades. Don't match up, no love. Look at date. I just fade. When I hit the jack, you can keep the pie. Every night I gamble, I stop. Yeah. When I check the cost, I was like, oh, that's expensive. Ay, rolling flex in my ear. You a fucking.
Film camera that I got. I've been debating whether to get this film camera for like the longest time, but I finally got it from eBay, and my main goal with this film camera is to capture as many memories as I can, especially now that I'll be going back to Korea and Hong Kong for like July to August. I'm gonna take a lot of pictures. I still need to buy the film roll. Yeah, I can't wait to use this. I'm right now about to jump on a Zoom call with an advisor because they're making us talk to this advisor since graduation is coming up close in December, and they just want to make sure that we're on the right track and that our credits are being fulfilled, and yeah, that everyone will be graduating in December. I have 1 more minute until we start our Zoom meeting. I'm good, how are you?
Bye-bye.
Hi. That was so short, but she was so nice. I'm glad that I'm on the right track to graduating. Hi vlog, I'm currently just working on my Monday lecture notes. This morning I went to church and then ate lunch with a few of my friends. So yeah, I think I'll end the vlog here. But overall this week has been pretty good. I feel like it was interestingly like steady. I don't know if that's the right word to describe it because yeah, I don't know. This week felt really long as well. I think it's because a lot of changes happened in a sense where simulation ended, and then I got into a new clinical rotation, and then I had my first exam. So yeah, I felt like a lot of things happened this week, but they weren't too stressful, and I don't feel too tired. I think it was a good balance of keeping myself busy while just chilling and hanging out with friends. So it was overall a very good week. If you made it up to this point of the vlog, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!